Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. With me again, Teacher Nuraniza in our science lesson. Today, we are going to learn Unit 1, Scientific Skills. Classify. Theme, Inquiry in Science, Scientific Skills, Classify. Kemahiran proses sains, mengelas. Lesson objective. At the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to classify the objects by stating their similar and different characteristic. Di akhir sesi pembelajaran, murid-murid dapat mengelas objek dengan menyatakan persamaan dan perbezaan ciri-ciri objek tersebut. How can we classify objects? We can classify the objects by stating their similar and different characteristic. Karakteristik, ciri persamaan dan ciri perbezaan, different, perbezaan, similar, persamaan. Let's classify. To group animals and plants according to their external features. Kita akan kelaskan haiwan dan tumbuhan mengikut ciri luarannya. We classify them. Okay class, you can open your textbook. Refer to page 5. Are you ready? Have you opened your textbook? Okay, now we can continue with our lesson. A similar characteristics between a duck, a penguin, and an eagle is that they are animals with wings. Mereka adalah haiwan yang mempunyai sayap. They are animals with wings. Here we state the similar characteristic of this animal, which is all these animals have wings. Di sini kita nyatakan persamaan haiwan tersebut, iaitu semua haiwan tersebut ada sayap. A goat, a tapir, and a tiger are different from a duck, a penguin, and an eagle because they are animals without wings. We state the similarities of this animal, which is all these animals didn't have wings. Without wings, tidak mempunyai sayap. These animals can be classified as animals with wings and without wings. Animals. All the animals that I have mentioned just now, look at the features that we used in here. Ciri luaran dia, with wings, we state the similarity of all these animals. Kita nyatakan persamaan semua binatang ini, which is all these animals with wings, ada sayap. Without wings, in this group, we group them in this group. The animal that didn't have wings, without wings, tidak ada sayap. We group in this group. Okay? So, this is how we classify the objects. This is how we classify all these animals. Ini adalah cara macam mana kita mengelas, ya. Okay, class. Please classify the animals using other characteristics. Kita classify guna ciri yang lain pula. For example, here we can substitute with animal with 2 legs. Okay, duck have 2 legs. Penguin have 2 legs. Eagle also have 2 legs. Here we state the similar characteristic of this animal with 2 legs. And here, animals with 4 legs. Ada 4 kaki. So, we classify things by separating, kita asingkan, and grouping, kumpulkan, and grouping them according to their similarities and differences, mengikut persamaan dan perbezaan. Now here are some examples of other characteristics that we can use. Animals with 4 legs, animals with 2 legs, animals without legs, tak ada kaki, animals with horns, ada tanduk, animals with fur, ya, yang berbulu, animals with scales, ada sisik, animals with feathers, ada bulu pelepah, animals with a tail, ada ekor. How about the plants? We also can classify the plants according to its similarities and differences. Look at the example here. Plants with woody stem. Woody stem. Batang yang berkayu, batang yang keras. Woody stem. For example, mango tree. Look at here, woody stem. Jackfruit tree. So here, batang keras, woody stem. Coconut tree. And here also. Plants with soft stem. Batang yang lembut. For example, like papaya tree, banana tree, sugarcane. Flowering plants. Plants that have flowers. Ada bunga. Look at here. Number 1. Bougainvillea. Hibiscus. Sunflower. Morning glory. All these plants have flowers. Non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants. Okay, tumbuhan yang tidak mempunyai bunga. All these plants doesn't have any flowers. Dia tak ada bunga langsung. For example, like fern and pine. Okay, class. Your task, please complete exercises in activity book, page 3 to 4. After completing your task, please submit to me. Before that, let's look at the task. Activity book, page 3. Kelaskan, classify the following animals based on how they move. Mesti kelaskan haiwan ni mengikut bagaimana dia bergerak. Classify based on how they move. How they move. Macam mana dia bergerak. And then, you write the characteristic in here. How they move. Look at here. How bird move. How squirrel move. Please think about this answer. Okay? And then cut the pictures and then group them according to its similarities. Okay, here we classify them. We classify by separate them. Kita separate, kita asingkan dua kumpulan, and then we group them into its similarities. Okay? Now your second task, activity book, page 4. Identify characteristics of musical instruments. Choose how the musical instrument are played. Macam mana ia dimainkan. It's stated here already. Blow, tiup, beat. Ataupun dia ketuk. Dia ketuk. Understand? And then you separate them into two groups by using dengan menggunakan this characteristic. Okay? And then you choose the musical instrument, you group them into its similarities and differences. Okay, with that, I hope you can understand. Thank you everyone. Hope to see you in our next class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.